Cosmic Sea Creeper.
And I'm Roman C. Breezy.
And today, we're going to be talking about Hurricane Cole.
Ow.
Now, as we all know, Hurricane Cole is one of the most dangerous hurricanes out there so far, leaving people homeless, sick, and worst of all, without Netflix or YouTube.
No!
I mean, honestly, people are basically doomed without that thing. Good luck surviving the apocalypse without that. Anyway, I'm going to leave it to my co-host, Breezy, as I like to call him, to fend for himself at this topic.
Well, hi there, I'm Breezy Cheezy, and I'm here to tell you about the awful hurricane going on down in South Florida. It has wrecked the Everglades, and it's been horrible for those, Floridians down there.
You're from South Florida, aren't you?
Yes, I'm from Louisville.
Exactly. Now, as we all know, in the deep depths of the storm, we sent a brave cameraman, Ryan, and his crewmate, whoever his name is. And the signal down there was very wonky, so we had to film it with an iPhone. So I'm really sorry about that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy these scenes.
Here in southern Florida, there has been a fifth hurricane added to the mix. Hurricane Cole. Hurricane Cole is a Category 5 storm. It is very big and very wet. Sadly, here in southern Florida, there is no amenities for the people. There is no electric, no sunshine, no gas, and no water. Sadly, the only alternative for people to drink here is Diet Coke. Sadly, Diet Coke is their only option. There is no other diet soda that could be used for the people if they want a cola.
Well, what about Diet Pepsi?
Shut up! Thankfully, though, Coca-Cola has released a new line of product. Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. That same great Coke taste, none of the calories. Say goodbye to Diet Coke. All you need is Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. Very tasty. Yum!